Data structures in Python. Python has 4 built-in data structures that you will use every day: lists, dictionaries, sets, and tuples. By the end of this video, you will know how to store, access, and transform collections of data. A list is an ordered, mutable collection. You can add, remove, and change items. Access items by index starting at 0. Use negative indices to count from the end. The len function tells you how many items are in the list. Add items with append for the end, insert for a specific position, and extend for multiple items at once. Remove items with remove by value. Pop to remove and return the last item, or pop with an index for a specific position. List slicing creates a new list from part of an existing list. The syntax is list, open bracket, start, colon, end, colon, step. The end index is not included. Use :-1 to reverse a list in one step. Use sorted to get a new sorted list without changing the original. Use the .sort method to sort in place. You can sort by a key function. For example, sort names by their length using key = len. List comprehensions create new lists in a single line. Write the expression, then for, then the variable, then in, then the iterable. Add an if clause to filter items. They replace simple for loops and are more Pythonic. A tuple is like a list, but immutable. You cannot change it after creation. Use tuples when the data should not change, like coordinates or RGB colors. They are also hashable, so you can use them as dictionary keys. Tuple unpacking is one of Python's most useful features. Assign tuple values to multiple variables in one line. You can swap 2 variables without a temp variable. Use the star operator to capture remaining items into a list. A dictionary stores key-value pairs. Keys must be unique and immutable. Use square brackets to access values, or use .get for safe access with a default value. Using brackets on a missing key raises a key error. Add and update dictionary entries with square bracket assignment. Remove entries with pop to get the value back, or del to remove without returning. Loop over items with .items to get both keys and values. Dictionary comprehensions work just like list comprehensions, but create dictionaries. Map words to their lengths or invert a dictionary by swapping keys and values. They are concise and readable for simple transformations. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. Add items with add, remove with discard. Sets support math operations. Use pipe for union, ampersand for intersection, minus for difference, and caret for symmetric difference. The easiest way to remove duplicates from a list is to convert it to a set and back. But this does not preserve order. If you need order, use a helper function with a scene set to track which items you have already added. Counter from the collections module counts how many times each element appears. It is perfect for frequency analysis. Use most_common to get the top items. Default Dict creates default values for missing keys automatically. Real-world data is often nested. A list of dictionaries where each has a list of scores. You combine multiple data structures to solve problems. Calculate averages, find maximums, and group items together. Use the in keyword to check membership. For lists, this takes linear time. For sets and dictionaries, it takes constant time. If you check membership frequently, convert your list to a set first for much better performance. Avoid common mistakes. Never modify a list while iterating over it. Use a list comprehension to create a new filtered list instead. Remember that mutable objects like lists cannot be used as dictionary keys. Use tuples instead. In the next video, we will take a deep dive into strings. You will learn advanced string methods, formatting tricks, and regular expressions for powerful text processing in Python. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.